Hey guys, it's really early in the morning, but ZBLC here, the ZB part of the ZBLC BMX channel, and I'll be showing you guys a tutorial, not a tutorial. I'm gonna be doing a bike check. Okay, so my bike right here, as you can see. One second, let me get her showing. Ugh. My bike is a 2011 kink whip from Sport Wheels. I bought it for $6.50. So let's just start off. Got some Aaron Ross keyboard grips, blueberry, with kink brake lever, just a regular white brake cord. Mission component stem, regular stem bolts. Almost sticker over it. You have the kink volt forks on it, on my bike. What else we have is regular kink frame, kink pivotal seat. It says pivotal there, with mission component seat clamp, kink pivotal seat post, regular kink crank arms, Steve Hamilton animal plastic pedals. First, tires, both black rims, Alienation black rims. Just regular mission component sealed hub on the back. We have over here a 25 tooth kink something decimal speed. Don't know what that means. With a regular kink chain, got some mission component brakes on there. Nothing really else. Everything on the bike is stock except my Odyssey Aaron Ross grips and my blue pedals and the stickers. So that concludes my bike check, and I love you guys, and I'm out. Peace. And by the way, I'm ZBLC and I approve this message.